Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria and today we're doing another Christmas look, and this is the look we're creating today. And before we get into it, I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandria, but I also go by Alex. I am a beauty creator here on YouTube and I have a fashion blog and I also have a wrestling podcast. So if you're interested in any of those stuff, go ahead and check the links below. And also like, comment, and subscribe, and actually subscribe to the channel. That will be really helpful, and I want to say thank you to those who have subscribed recently to the channel. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's get into it. So today we're creating this time I told myself I'm gonna get dressed. I usually don't get dressed up for my YouTube video. I'll just wear, you know, a regular graphic t-shirt or a hoodie because it's just more easier for me, because I just don't want to pile up clothes. So especially when you're doing makeup, the powder goes all over the place and it goes on all over your garments. So I kind of wanted to avoid that, but this time I was like, you know what, after I finish recording the look, I was like, I'm gonna get dressed and at least do it for the intro. Okay, so today we're working with a lot of neons. So this is the palette I'm using. It's from Rude and it's the City of Neon Lights. I'm gonna take it out, and this is the palette I use. I actually use this is my second time using this. The last time I used it was before my ring light broke, and I have worked with two neon colors, and it's these two greens right here. I worked and they worked marvelous. And today we're just using just two colors out of this palette, this nice beautiful red and this nice coral color right here for the inner of the eye. But very simple look, and we're going from start to finish in this video. So you see me applying the eyeshadows all the way to the lipstick. The only thing I don't have in the camera is my son is me applying the lashes. I didn't have it turned off on me. So that part is actually not a part of the video, but I do have multiple other places that I have in previous videos that I have go ahead and apply lashes. If you're interested in looking in that, or if you want me to do in a separate video, I could do that also. But yeah, so very simple, very festive. We're messing with just two colors, creating two glitter liner, just black liner. It's just very simple but very bright on the eye, because why not? It's Christmas, and why not go ahead and just be super bright when it comes to the eyes. So yeah, so very simple look. So if you're interested in how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. And I want to say thank you for clicking on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I begin to for sure.